It was worst day of 2021 in Zakarpatia Oblast when 3 teenager boys tortured a 14-year-old girl and forced her for sexual harassment. She was just 14 years old girl. This crime was committed in Volivitskyi, Ukraine. 3 boys put off her clothes and even removed her underwear. Then they forced her to squeeze her head in between legs of a body. Not only this, they filmed her. Surprisingly, the names of teenagers were not mentioned publicly in newspapers as local law didn't permit so. Due to mental torture, she was exempted to appear in court on every date of hearing. So the defense counsel took the benefit and created a scenario perhaps she was not interested to pursue her case. That was why attorneys of teenager boys prayed the court to close the case. These boys not only tortured her but they posted the filmed videos on social media. Court sentenced the accused boys 2 years probation and fine in March 2024. This decision created several lawyers to register their protest and many offered to pursue the case of victim as pro bono. The lawyers demanded more strict decision against the accused boys. Attorney of victim Vorobyev clearly said the defense side was delaying the case to avoid the due punishment, but that would not work for the unclean intent. In 2023, rehearing of the case was started but decision was not strict. Court officials said that the case was of sexual violence, not of rape. As per Ukrainian Criminal Code, for a rape crime punishment is 7 to 12 years, while for sexual violence, punishment is 5 to 7 years. Court held in its decision that as penetration was not committed, so question of hard sentence was not possible under the law. Attorney Anna Kalinchuk expressed her disappointment and told her view on media that as per court decision penetration is harder crime, while sexual violence is lighter, is not a reasonable idea. She said that in both crimes, victim passes through several psychological pains.